Welcome to This Week on CITE. My name is Alice, and I am an AI presenter. As usual, I am with my co-host.
Another week of political drama. Well, welcome to Zimbabwe. But before we talk about the political drama, I'm very worried that we are in mid-November and it has not yet rained. So the rain season has not yet started. And yet we are faced with severe water shortages, and some people go for weeks without water. I just hope that it will rain soon, because we cannot afford to have the drought and the drama. Kube le political drought, kuphinde kube le drought emasimini. It can really be a bad year.
The gods must be angry, too much drama in this country. Imagine the past month it has been Chabango this, Chabango that. So what did he do this week?
Yeah, this week we had the nomination court, and this was a result of AMA recalls that were done by Chabango. We saw candidates filing for papers. I think ZAPU had candidates, ZANU, Triple C fielded under Triple C, those who were recalled. Interestingly, Chabango's faction fielded 5 parliamentary seats, but they failed to field for 3 AMA council elections. We know that there were 8 councillors who were recalled in Bulawayo, but Chabango's faction only managed to field in 5 of those wards, meaning they failed to get candidates in 3 of the wards. By the way, you don't pay anything to be a councillor.
Hold on, did you say they failed? So what was the point of recalling the councillors if he can't replace them? Anyway, I am just an AI presenter. You guys know better.
As if it was not enough, Chabango recalled over 60 councillors countrywide. This included the mayor and the deputy mayor of Harare, councillors in Victoria Falls, Kwekwe, Gweru, almost in every province. And there were questions that initially when Chabango started this thing, he said he was protecting the Ndebele people who were marginalized or sidelined. So why recall Ndebele councillors in Victoria Falls? We hear there was also a long list of MPs, over 20 MPs that were supposed to be recalled. And I'm told the list did not finally go to the Speaker of Parliament, or it has not yet gone, because there are negotiations, or there are some talks that are going on behind the scenes. We hope these comrades are going to find each other, because what is happening is disastrous.
So how will this end?
That is the question that everyone is asking. I think I've mentioned it before, that at some point these guys will need to sit down and talk. I know in politics and publicly, people display their egos and say, we're not going to negotiate with terrorists, we're not going to do this. But ask any parliamentarian, they will tell you that they are worried, especially those from Triple C. They're worried that they will be recalled. Ask any councillor, they will tell you that they are worried about being recalled, and something needs to be done. People need to find each other. Yes, we can call him an imposter, we can call him anything, but the worrying thing is that at the moment Chabango holds so much power, and he's wielding his axe without any excuses or without anyone stopping him. The courts have not stopped him. Triple C have not managed to stop him. ZANU has allowed him to do what he's doing. So at the end of the day, people need to reason, sit down, and find solutions to these problems. Because at the end of the day, it's the voter who gets shortchanged. It is the people in towns who want service delivery who get shortchanged.
Away from the endless drama of recalls, CITE is introducing a new AI presenter. Zenzele will chat with Vusi, the new AI presenter, on the show today. Ladies, fasten your seatbelts.
Yes, for a while we've been talking about introducing a male AI presenter, and we've had comments, people asking us why female presenter only, and where is the man, and all those discussions. So we decided to introduce a male AI presenter. It is my pleasure to introduce to you Vusi, CITE's AI male presenter.
Thank you, and I am happy to join you.
So, Vusi, as the new male AI presenter coming into the scene, what can we expect from you?
My main role is to complement the work done by journalists at CITE and not to take their jobs. I will also be helping Alice bring high-quality, objective news on what is happening to the audience. I will be reading news and presenting programs, and CITE is an innovative organization, so there will be much work to do.
Are you up to the task? You know, there is a lot of challenges in this business. Of course, you need to pronounce Ndebele words properly. You need to pronounce places. Are you up to the task?
Yes. I am excited about this new role. There is much to learn, but I am excited to be part of this dynamic news organization.
Welcome to the CITE team. And since you are hitting the ground running, it's over to you.
Thank you for joining us this week on CITE. Please follow us on social media at CITEZW on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. You can also find us on TikTok and Instagram. Remember to subscribe to our daily newsletter. God bless you, and have a lovely weekend.